Just got a SkyQ mini box and not sure how to connect everything correctly? In this video, I will show you how to set up your SkyQ mini box step by step. Before we begin, like this video and subscribe for more simple tech setup tutorials every day. First, place the SkyQ mini box close to your television and nearby power outlet safely. Inside the package, you should find the mini box, remote, HDMI cable and power adapter. Now take the HDMI cable and connect one end into the SkyQ mini box properly. Connect the other end of HDMI cable into an available HDMI port on your television. After that, plug the SkyQ mini box power adapter into a wall power socket carefully. Once powered on, you should see a small light appear on the front of the device. Next, grab the SkyQ remote control and insert the included batteries correctly inside. Turn on your television and switch to the correct HDMI input connected to the mini box. The TV should now display the SkyQ mini box setup or connection screen automatically. Your mini box will search for the main SkyQ box installed in your home. Make sure the main SkyQ box is already powered on before starting this setup process. The connection process may take a minute while both Sky devices communicate wirelessly together. After connecting, the television may ask you to connect the mini box to your Wi-Fi. Use the SkyQ remote control to select your home wireless internet network carefully. Enter your Wi-Fi password slowly using the on-screen keyboard shown on your television display. Press the OK button after entering the password to continue the connection process successfully. Once connected, you should see a confirmation message appear on the television screen clearly. Now the SkyQ home screen should load fully and display channels and streaming option. At this point, your SkyQ mini box is successfully connected and ready for normal use. You can now browse channels, recordings and streaming apps directly from your television easily. The SkyQ remote can also control volume and basic television functions in many cases. If the screen stays blank, double check your HDMI cable and television input settings carefully. Loose HDMI cables are one of the most common reasons the setup may not work initially. You can also restart the SkyQ mini box if the connection process freezes unexpectedly sometimes. Once setup is complete, the mini box should work smoothly in any supported room comfortably. Now you can enjoy Sky TV channels and streaming features from another television in your home. And that's how to set up SkyQ mini box and connect to your TV successfully.